Some of you think I have naturally pretty hair, but this is the reality of what my hair looks like right after washing and blow drying it. So today I'm just gonna do like a tutorial slash get ready with me and show you guys how I do my loose curls these days. This looks really bad. Before starting, I'm just gonna use this heat protection cream. My hairdresser gave it to me because my hair is really damaged. I always use hair oil, but I've never used this before. I heard it coats your hair and protects it from heat. So I've been applying it to my hair before using any type of curling iron. So if you guys don't have this type of product, I recommend you to use hair oil, hair essence, or other types of hair product to coat your hair and sort of protect it from heat. Curling irons really damage your hair a lot. These days, I like to curl my hair sort of like loosely. You know, we wear a mask all the time, so I do natural makeup and so I do natural hair to suit my makeup. I'm gonna be using this Badana curler. It's 40 milliliters. So it's pretty thick, and you can choose a size according to the length of your hair or like the thickness of your hair. My hair is really long and thick, so I prefer making big loose curls. That's why I have 40 milliliters. But if you have like shorter or thinner hair, I think you can also use like 36 or 38 or even smaller depending on your hair. I always set it to about 160 Fahrenheit. Yeah, I used it so much that you can't even see the numbers anymore. But yeah, that's what I use. So it's pretty simple. I just divide my hair into two parts, like I always do. And then I start from the very back. Grab about this much hair, you know, not too little, not too much. I basically grab my hair with my right hand, hold the curl with the left hand, and start from the top. Just clip and turn it to the right once. And then wait for like 3-ish seconds. And then I just let it go like this. Turn it once more. Let it go, and then just sort of finish it like this. Since my hair is really long, I try to do like 2.5 curls, but if you have shorter hair, you can do like 2, 1.5. So, you know, it all depends. And then I sort of like make it loose with my hands and then send it to the back. Again, I grab like this much hair, clip, turn it to the right once, make a full circle, 1, 2, 3, and then you just pull it down like this, release your hair, and then again turn, 1, 2, 3, let it go, and then just curl the end. It looks kind of weird right now, but like once you're done, it's gonna look pretty natural. The point here is to not spend too much time on each curl, but also don't let it go too early because it's gonna be too loose. They recently got back from a trip. That's why my mom is like making sounds. She's unpacking. So this is the unstyled side and this is the styled side. And although this side looks very natural, it's still different from this side, right? Before doing any of the details, let's do the same on the other side. Again, I start from the back because my hair is so like big and puffy and it's naturally a bit wavy. So I prefer to wash my hair at night so that, you know, it can calm down overnight and then like become a bit flatter. But today I had no choice. I had to wash my hair. That's why my hair is like extra puffy. So you clip and then turn to the left this time. Wait like 3 seconds, release, turn it again to the left, 1, 2, 3, release, and then I just get the end. One tip my hairdresser gave me, but I forgot to do, is you go through it like this, like a straightener before styling. That way your hair will be curled more easily because the heat is already there. But I totally forgot to do it. Clip Turn left. 1, 2, 3. Nyangatong. Curl it. 1, 2, 3. And then grab the end. Don't spend too much time on the end because I kind of like it half curled instead of like full curve. That way it's more natural. So I spend more like 2 seconds on the end. I don't know where this hair came from. I styled my back hair, and then we need to take care of the front because it's messy. I like to part my hair to the side like this, and I personally think that my right face is prettier than my left face, so that's why I part it this way instead of this way. I've made videos about curling side bangs, but I'll show you again. Just take a little bit of hair in the front, grab it the same way. Oh, but this time, so instead of curling it like this, you want to tilt it a little bit to the right. Curl it towards the end of it, like this. The reason I don't start from up here is, do you see how there's a curl right here? Like it kind of goes with my face line. So I like to curl towards the end. And if you want more volume right here, take a little bit of hair from near your ears and then give a little bit of volume near the root so that your face can look round and cute. Let's do the same on the other side. Take your hair, go to the end as much as possible and then curl to the left. See how my curler is angled? I think that makes prettier side bangs. Again, I'm gonna take some hair near my ears. It's like covering my face flat like this, and I'd rather look more like this. So I'm gonna take it and then make the root a bit more voluminous. If I want additional volume, like today, I use this volume spray. I just spray it near my roots. And then just push your hair upward and then create volume. Sometimes when I'm like running late, or if I know I'll be running late the next day, I do this before going to bed. And then once you wake up, it becomes like a really natural loose curl. So like if you just style a little bit in the morning, you can just walk out like that. And people ask me how I styled my hair the next day when I didn't do anything.